How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is Jack.
How old are you?
I am 34 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
What time is it?
It's 3:40.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I do.
What's your number?
My number is 1123450.
Where are you going?
I am going to park.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
How much is this?
It's $30.
Do you have money?
Yes, we do.
Where is the restroom?
It's over there.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
Are you busy?
No, I'm free.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Where is bus stop?
It's nearby.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
Can I try this?
Sure, go ahead.
How do I get to hospital?
Take a left on Main Street.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I do.
Can I borrow it?
Sure, take it.
What's the time now?
It's 3 o'clock.
Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Can you pass the salt?
Here you go.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it.
How far is it?
It's about a mile.
Can you speak louder?
Sorry, I'll speak up.
Can I help you?
No, I'm okay.
Enhance your English every day with daily lessons, interactive exercises, and a vocabulary builder. Accessible anytime, anywhere. Download now for fun and engaging learning. Check the link in the description below.